Let's talk about laundry. What do you need? Clothes, laundry detergent, laundry basket, washer, and dryer. Put the clothes in the washing machine. Pour detergent into the washing machine. Next, turn the washer on and choose cycle. The water is soapy, and the clothes are wet. Take clothes out of the washer when it's finished. Put the wet clothes in the dryer. Choose cycle and wait for dryer to be finished. Some clothes can be dried on a drying rack instead of the dryer. Take clothes out of the dryer. Time to fold the clothes and put them away. Key words to learn. Let's practice.